It's coming up to 9 o'clock on the 17th of May. I am about to board the Alishan Forest Railway to Fenqiwu. I couldn't get a ticket to go any further, so I'm only going to Fenqiwu for 3 hours. Then I'm going to come back to Chiayi because tonight I need to fly back to Hong Kong. This is a really cute train. I like it. Fenqiwu has an elevation of 1,400 meters. I hope it won't be too cold up there because I only have t-shirts and one shirt with me.
李天您好，右边呢还有嘉义市的蔡依生活村啊，蔡依生活村。然后大概啊，如果你想要上路，还是要从公路上去阿里山，然后在阿里山。
The train conductor has just made an announcement. Basically, the line between Sijilu and Alishan is broken, so you can't get the train from Chiayi all the way to Alishan. In any case, I could only buy a ticket to Fenqiwu. So from Fenqiwu, it's possible to go to Alishan by bus, but that takes 1 hour. On top of that, you have to wait for the bus. But because I'm coming here on a day trip, I'm going to Fenqiwu for the day, then I can't go to Alishan. But they are building a new tunnel between Sijilu and Alishan. So next year it will be possible to take the train directly from Chiayi all the way to Alishan. Sijilu has an elevation of 1,530 meters.
右转180度转弯，那向右转的时候，右边的后面还有右边的前面可以看到这点转弯。然后 the first you turn right, you can see the right 到十字路，十字路到阿里山还没有通车，因为十字路到阿里山这一段路呢，新的隧道才刚好而已，现在在做，去年才刚种上去的，刚种没多久。That's our information. Thank you. 那个大楼就是我们平地的江。后面呢还是看得到主旗啊。好，等一下又这个大楼，那个大楼就是那个大，它的高度大概508哦。现在右手 on the right hand side again。2点钟的方向哦，现在稍微向左转哦，右前方2点钟的方向就是独立山了哦。我们要绕这座山3圈半啊。看到第一次，左边找找看，过了这个隧道之后，左下方啊，有一右下方。左上方有没有茶园？好，进隧道了，上升了2层，这个就是登山。左后方就看到更漂亮的转弯。对，我在那边山越过北部，或者是左手边的这个竹林哦，也蛮漂亮的。那欣赏完山谷之后，我们就要去20。好，谢谢。我也没有。
Here I am in Fenqiwu. From Chiayi to Fenqiwu, the train passes through 30 tunnels. And from here to Sijilu, there are another 8 tunnels. Fenqiwu Station was completed in 1912 by the Japanese. It was the largest railway station along the Alishan Forest Railway. And behind me, up the hill, is the upper Old Street. We're now going down the mountain and you can see the clouds outside the window. I will take a nap right now because once I get to Chiayi, I still need to get the train to Kaohsiung. Hopefully I won't miss the plane. If you're thinking of visiting Kaohsiung, I think that this city is very convenient. As you can see, the airport is located at R4 and I stayed at stop R8. Can you believe that I am at the underground station in Kaohsiung Airport? There's nobody around. Anyway, I want to talk about what happened this morning. Before I went to Alishan, I didn't buy the ticket from Chiayi back to Kaohsiung. So when I arrived back at Chiayi station, I couldn't find an express train back to Kaohsiung. So I took a local train, and that stops everywhere along the way. And that took roughly 1 hour and 40 minutes. I thought I would miss my plane, but I managed to get to the airport on time. So it was a great trip, and I think that I think I like Taiwan, and I'm sure I'll visit Taiwan again sometime in the near future. If I ever come to Taiwan again, I would come to Kaohsiung because this airport is almost empty. Actually, maybe next time I would try Taichung or something. I really like this mobile phone charging station because you can lock your phone inside.